In this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your TikTok username in 2020 and beyond. And this works on Android and iOS as well as. So let's get jump into the right away. You want to open TikTok and you simply want to go to your profile, okay? And so click at the right bottom at on me, and then you will end up on this page right here. Next up, you want to click on edit profile, and then you want to click on username right there, and then right there you can actually change your username. Keep in mind that you could only do this once every 30 days, so I'm not gonna change my username. Is I don't want to change, but this is where you can change your username. So come up with a name, then click on save at the top, and you can select at this top. And that's exactly how you can change your TikTok username in 2020 and beyond. Now if this video helps you all out, make sure you have heard and leave a like, comment down below to watch, so that other people can do this as well. And then I will hopefully see you in the next video. Peace out.